So today we're going to look at installing an M.2 SSD in our PlayStation 5. This is the Fanshuiana. I think I'm pronouncing that probably wrong. I'm not sure how you say it, but this is the brand name of the SSD that I have. It's the S770 model. It's a PCIe 4.0 M.2 NVMe SSD. I'm going to install it in the PS5. So first up, we're going to get the PS5 on the right side. You don't want it on the logo side, you want it on the side that the disk drive's on. So we're going to flip that over, like so. And to remove the base plate off the PS5, you're going to want to kind of like go to one corner, lift it up and like slide. And there we are. It's just up and like slide down. So there we are, there's the base plate off. And then I'm going to spin this round, because where we want to be is in here, this little SSD slot here. And if we open up our SSD, you'll see inside that's just the box. There's a little manual, we don't need that for this. And we have a little screwdriver that it comes with. So all we do is unscrew this little screw here using the screwdriver it came with it. And that just popped off. And there's the screw that you need to take the SSD out. And then we're going to angle it inside. And you can feel it go in. Then we're just going to push it down. We'll unscrew this screw. This is our mounting screw. You need to put the screw in. So the screw in the PS5 was a little bit tight, so I've had to get another screwdriver just to unscrew that. So there it is. And there's the little cap that it comes with as well. Nope. So we'll just put that on like so. And screw it in. And there we are. Our SSD is not moving in there at all. So pop the cap back on. Screw the screw back in. Pop the base plate back on. Put it on the right way. And it'll go on easier than it came off. As you can see, that clicked on. As you can see, there it is. It's back on. Now let's plug in the PS5 and see what happens. So once you turn on your PS5, you're going to get this screen if you installed the M.2 properly. It's going to say M.2 SSD storage. It's basically going to say that you need to format the storage to be able to use it. You've got two options: don't format and turn off PS5, or format the M.2 SSD, which is what we want to do. So we're just going to click yes on the format. And then it's going to go through this formatting procedure. And there it goes. It doesn't take long at all. And it gives us a little warning there. It says the read speed is 5484 megabytes. If you're experiencing problems, install it to the console storage. Shouldn't be a problem for us though, I don't think. Yeah, SSD has been formatted, and there we are. It's going to boot into our PS5. And if we go to the storage of our PS5 here, you're going to see now that we have our M.2 SSD, and there it is. You see that we have 1 terabyte of space, which is brilliant. So that's how you install an M.2 SSD in your PS5. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.